This might be the wildest Toyota-based machine you'll ever see online. We're talking about a brutal 12x12 monster that looks like it escaped straight from a military operation. This isn't just a truck, and it's definitely not a normal RV. This is a rolling armored fortress packed with 5-star luxury. If you clicked on this video expecting something insane, trust me, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Auto Design, where we break down the most extreme machines ever built. Today, we're taking a deep look at the Toyota Thunderbone, a 12-wheel luxury motorhome that blends military-grade strength with high-end comfort. This thing doesn't follow limits, it destroys them. So let's jump in and see why the Thunderbone is on a whole different level. Let's start with the exterior, because this beast is impossible to ignore. The Thunderbone runs a full 12x12 drivetrain. That's 6 massive wheels on each side, all gripping the ground at once. These oversized off-road tires feature aggressive tread designed to dominate mud, sand, snow, rocks, you name it. No hesitation, no excuses. Up front, the bold Toyota-style grille makes an instant statement, with Thunderbone branding stamped into a reinforced steel bumper. That bumper isn't just for looks, it's armed with a heavy-duty winch and bright red recovery hooks, ready for serious off-road recovery missions. And the lighting? Absolutely insane. A giant LED light bar crowns the roof, backed up by bumper-mounted spotlights, fog lights, and side illumination that can turn the darkest wilderness into daylight. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Thunderbone shocks everyone. Open the door and you're welcomed into a wide, open living space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a truck. A premium leather sectional sofa wraps around the interior, offering real comfort after long days on the trail. There are custom bunk beds fitted with quality bedding, making this perfect for families or group adventures. A large skylight floods the cabin with natural daylight, while panoramic side windows deliver unbeatable views wherever you park. At night, ambient LED lighting creates a warm, high-end atmosphere, and the dark wood flooring with refined color tones gives the interior a truly premium finish. The kitchen is fully equipped to handle real cooking on the road, making long-distance travel easy and comfortable. There's also a complete bathroom featuring a luxury shower setup, so you stay clean and refreshed even when you're miles away from civilization. Now let's move to the driver's seat, the command center of this monster. The cockpit feels like something out of a futuristic aircraft. You're holding a premium leather steering wheel with Toyota-style branding and multi-function controls at your fingertips. Right in front of you sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, navigation, and vehicle data in crisp detail. To the side, a massive vertical touchscreen controls navigation, entertainment, climate, cameras, and vehicle systems. The seats are wrapped in premium black leather with bold orange contrast stitching, built for comfort during long cross-country drives. The center console is stacked with features: wireless phone charging, terrain mode selectors for sand, mud, snow, and rock, plus advanced off-road controls, including differential locks and four-wheel drive systems. Multiple camera views help you maneuver through tight trails or back into remote campsites with confidence. Under the hood, the Thunderbone delivers brutal power. A heavy-duty diesel engine pumps out massive torque, anywhere from 800 to over 1,200 pound-feet, depending on the build. That kind of muscle means steep climbs, deep mud, and extreme terrain are handled without struggle. The 12x12 configuration isn't just for show. It spreads weight evenly and delivers insane traction, allowing this machine to go where standard motorhomes wouldn't survive. Sand dunes, rocky mountain trails, snow-covered passes, muddy forest roads. The Thunderbone keeps moving. Its advanced suspension system absorbs brutal terrain while still offering a smooth highway ride, and the high ground clearance lets it glide over obstacles that would destroy normal RVs. This is a vehicle built for explorers who refuse to choose between adventure and comfort. The Toyota Thunderbone is made for people who want to go further than everyone else. Whether you're crossing Arizona deserts, climbing Colorado mountains, exploring Pacific Northwest forests, or heading toward Alaska, this machine is ready. It's perfect for families, outdoor enthusiasts, photographers, hunters, or anyone who wants a true mobile base camp with no compromises. Most RVs force you to pick off-road toughness or luxury living. The Thunderbone delivers both in one unstoppable package. It's a rolling fortress, a luxury home on wheels, and an extreme off-road machine, all combined into one. And that's the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 motorhome, one of the most insane vehicles ever imagined. This beast proves you never have to sacrifice comfort for adventure. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and drop a comment below. Would you take this monster on an epic cross-country adventure? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Design for more insane vehicles like this. Click the video on your screen right now to explore more extreme machines. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take.